Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be installing a wig. We're going to be installing, take it off the tripod. We're going to be installing this wig right here in all of her glory. I crimped her off, well, I crimped her a little bit on camera, so I'll insert those clips for you guys right now.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more, I don't know.
But yeah, this is what she's looking like. She's just a closure. She's not a frontal. So yeah, we're gonna be putting this on. I honestly don't remember where this wig is from. I want to say Beauty Forever, but I'm really not sure. I'd have to check. But I'll try to leave it in the description box for you guys. So yeah, I'm just probably gonna throw some music over this part because you guys like, yeah. So we're just gonna get started. This is how we're working with under the bonnet. I was gonna take these out and braid my hair down, like, you know, like properly braid it down, but now I kind of just really don't want to. So I'm kind of thinking that I may just like, I don't know, like somehow like finesse all of them to the back, just like this. Just like this. And then throw a haircut back there because I'm being lazy and I don't feel like braiding my hair down. Just kind of like tuck these back down in there. Yeah. So I'm now going to take, where is it? I'm gonna take this netted, like this is like a stocking cap or whatever, fishnet stocking cap. There you go. So I'm just gonna put this on. This does a pretty good job of making my hair pretty flat and pulling my edges back, so that's good. So yeah, this is what this is giving. And then I was gonna throw a wig cap on top of this, but there's like a fake scalp in the wig, so I think we'll be okay. Okay, so this is what I was talking about when I said the wig had a fake scalp in it. So I'm not really too worried about the wig cap not being like a scalp color. Another thing about this wig, the construction is weird. The cap has like a weird little like bumpy inside of it right here that I can feel and that you can see when the hair is not crimped, but it's finessable. I should have sent it back as soon as I got it, but I didn't really realize it until it was a little bit too late. So yeah, it is what it is. So as you guys can see, this this wig is just a little bit, I guess, too big for me because the lace doesn't like sit flush against my scalp, but for the most part it's cool. I want to say this wig is 20 inches. Like I said, I just crimped it with this crimping iron, which I will show you guys in the video of me like actually crimping the hair. So yeah, we're just going to start by pinning it back. Clip this part back. And I like completely styled it yesterday. I flat combed it. I hot combed it yesterday, but I'll probably end up hot combing it just a little bit more today. I'm not even gonna bother putting gel on like my edges and stuff because, to be honest, I really just don't freaking want to, so I'm not going to. 91% rubbing alcohol You do not have to use 91%, especially if you have like sensitive skin or something, or you just don't want to. It doesn't have to be this strong. You could just use whatever kind of alcohol you have. It just wiped down my hairline so that our lace sticks as best as possible. Okay, now that we've done that, I'm going to be using the Got To Be High Insta Hold hairspray. This is the same hairspray I always use. You guys know I like this hairspray. It works really well. Sometimes I like to spray under the lace. Sometimes I like to spray directly on the lace. Just depends on how I'm feeling that day, I guess. I don't know. Then I have my handy dandy blow dryer, and I'm going to be blow drying on cool.
Why you love me? Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of wordplay, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body.
Okay guys, so I've been sitting with this on my head for probably like 10 or 15 minutes, so that should be good. We're not going anywhere too crazy tonight, so we don't need to have it sit here for too long. Oh, she's giving scalp already. Okay, so now the only bad thing about having the crimps already done is like right now, I'm gonna start like combing them out basically. So I'm just gonna like run my comb through it and get all the hairs that were like stuck down in the process. And let me grab some mousse actually. Okay, so I have this Garnier Fruity Styling. What is this? Oh no, this is volumizing mousse. This is not what you need for this, for what I'm about to do. This, no, don't buy this for this. Just buy some regular mousse. I didn't really read this. I just needed mousse. Saw it in this container. I was like, this must be mousse, and I grabbed it. But it'll work, but I wouldn't recommend it for this. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my rat tail comb, and just put it right here where I put the hairspray on the hair, really, not so much on the lace, because this can make your lace lift, but it usually doesn't make my lace lift too bad. But yeah, just to get like all of the hairs that were stuck down in the hairspray when we tied down the elastic band. See what I mean? See what I'm saying? It's just a little crusty right there, so I'm gonna take a little mousse and throw it right there. Mousse is the crust's best friend, okay? Because it's like you don't want to just start spraying water, so mousse is the next best thing to help loosen up all the hairspray and get all of these hairs where you want them. This install was literally so quick and easy. Like, I was not expecting it to be so fast. I'm gonna try to like fix the part up a little bit. Part's not really straight, but we're just gonna leave it. We're gonna thank God for what he gave us and leave it alone. And then I'm also going to, I'm just going to put the rest of this mousse that's on my hand throughout the hair for the flysies, the flyaways. Okay. I'm going to take my hot comb. This is really not even necessary. It's this is just to, you know, get everything nice and uniform and flat, and for the flyaways, really. Okay, and then in the front, just gonna lay it down. I'm not gonna like do like the, I don't know, I'm just gonna lay it down. I'm not gonna do it where like I bump it up and then it's like that, because I didn't slick down like my actual like baby hairs and stuff, so we're gonna need those covered. Okay, and now the last thing I'm gonna do is take this black opal powder in the color Marvelous Maple, and I'm just gonna take a small brush. It doesn't matter the brush really. And I'm gonna put this I'm gonna put this in my parts. Because our part is not looking too party. I curved Tiffany for Jess. I had to get myself together. I'm a mess. Okay. So after I do that, I'm gonna take another brush that I'm hoping is clean, but most likely is not, and just blend it in just a little bit, just so it doesn't look so harsh. There we go. Okay. So this is pretty much the finished look, but I'm gonna go like put on like a better shirt and like zoom out a little bit so I could really show you guys in full effect. So give me 1 second. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look for the hair. I hope you guys will like it. It's giving. It's like, that's all I can say. This is how far it comes down. This hair is so freaking pretty, honestly, you guys. Like, I just got this crimping iron from the thrift store for like $3 freaking. So I just started crimping everything, and I'm so glad that I bought it. It was like the best thing that I ever bought. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm very glad that I decided to buy the crimper. I love the crimps. They give me life. You guys are going to be seeing like probably every single wig that I own being crimped this summer. So just, you know, get ready for the So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. This was super simple, super easy. I hope this helped you guys, and I hope that this gives you guys like an idea of like how you guys can do your hair this summer. So yeah, if you guys liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will either be a smoke session, like a hot box, or a makeup tutorial, or like a makeup and smoke, or like a makeup and story time. I don't know, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.